All right, the guy just knocked on the door, Dwight.
Oh,
this
cool.
is it. The final sample of our coffee cups from China.
That doesn't sound very good. Has this ever happened to you? You've ordered samples from a supplier in China. You're excited. You're waiting for the product to arrive, and then it's crappy. It's broken. It's scratched. It's dented. What do you do? My name is Dwight Gelowitz.
And I'm Dan Schultz. Let's take a look at this before we get going here. I have a feeling that we don't really have to look. I have a feeling I know what this coffee cup is going to look like on the inside. Oh, yeah. Here's your problem. Here's your problem right here. That's not going to work. That's going to be very hard to drink coffee out of. So what do? I'll tell you what most people do. They will either say something like, I don't like it. I don't want it. I'd never buy this. I don't want to sell it. It's cheap. It's crappy. Blah, 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 blah.
But Dan, I don't care what you think. I'm not selling it to you. You're not selling it to yourself. You've already done all the hard work. You've checked the market. You checked to make sure there's enough people buying it. That you're checked to make sure that the guys in the top of the chain are making money. You've done all that hard work. Why would you give that up?
Dwight and I, we sell on Amazon. We don't like any of the crap. I don't want to say crap because I think our products are good, but we don't like any of it. We never buy any of the stuff we sell because we don't care. But I'll tell you, there is one thing we actually do like about our products.
And that's the money.
The money.
It only matters is the money. That's the only thing that matters. Can you make money selling this product? Because if there are people out there willing to buy it, you should be willing to sell it. Don't let your personal opinion of something get in the way of making money.
Yeah, like I've said this a billion times. If there could be money made on Amazon by selling hemorrhoid pillows, Dwight and I would be the hemorrhoid pillow kings. But you know what? Like Dwight just said, it doesn't matter what we like. Look, if all people did was sell things that they'd like, Amazon would be nothing but like drones and fun stuff, right? But let's get back to this. Let's get back to what happens when a product comes in and it's legitimately crappy. It's legitimately, this is broken. Maybe there's scratch. Maybe it's dent. Maybe you pick it up and you're like, ugh, God, what a cheap, flimsy, whatever. Okay, that is legit, right? But we'll use our example. Okay, we ordered a bunch of these broken coffee cups from 3 different suppliers in China. They came, we looked at them. Now what? So what? What? This is half of the equation. We just got half of the equation by getting these cups from the suppliers in China.
The other half of the equation is you need to buy samples from your competitors. You need to go on Amazon and buy their product. What is it about their product that makes it sellable? Okay? You buy their product, you compare it to the product that you got from the supplier. Is it the same? Is it the same quality, the same weight, the same construction? Like if they're selling thousands and thousands of dollars a month in that coffee cup, there's no reason that you can't sell thousands and thousands of dollars in that coffee cup. But if the product that you get from your competitor is different than the product that you got from the supplier, like theirs is thicker, it's heavier, yours is cheap and flimsy, that tells you that you're not getting the quote for the proper product from your supplier, because you need to sell an equivalent or better product than your competitor.
Yeah. So how do you do it? Well, you go to Amazon, you search for whatever you're searching for, you sort, you use a tool like Helium 10 or whatever, you sort, you get the top 10, top 20, whatever it is. Start going through the top guys, and you want to buy a couple of them. Maybe you want to buy a sample of the best-selling one with the most reviews. Okay, order that. Right? Then you want to scroll down a little bit until you're maybe just at the bottom of that top 10, and you want to find somebody who is still in the top 10 but has a few negative reviews. And of course, you're going to want to read the reviews, but you're also going to want to order that guy's, because that's where the magic comes in, right? Those two are going to give you baselines for what people are actually buying. Like Dwight said, you don't know if this is the same product. You need to compare apples to apples, not apples to oranges. And we're not saying this might be the exact same product. But let's take a look. Let's say you open up one of their products. Look how it's packaged. If it's the same thing, if it's the same coffee cup, the same material, but theirs isn't broken, guess what? You just got some ammo. You can go to your supplier and go, hey, how you sent this? This is a real low end, buddy. You need to at least do, this guy used bubble wrap, right? You need to you're still in the product research phase at this point, right? Like you're going to look at what came to you. You're going to study it. You're going to see, is it the same, or is this a crappy imitation of what they sent? And then you have stuff that you can deal with your suppliers.
And don't forget, it's all about the money. It's all about selling on Amazon. So good luck to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you come along.
And here's to you. Good luck with your product research.